Hello there, brilliant managers and enterprise trailblazers. Tired of brainstorming sessions that feel more like awkward silences than creative explosions? Today, we're diving into how Chatgpt can be your ultimate brainstorming partner. We'll cover practical features, best practices for prompting, and real examples so you can start generating ideas faster than you can say innovation. And yes, there'll be humor, because work should be fun too. First things first, to get the best results from Chatgpt, you need to master the art of the prompt. Here's how. Be specific. Instead of asking, "Give me ideas for a new campaign," try, "List 5 creative digital marketing ideas for a sustainable product launch targeting millennials." Specificity yields better, actionable ideas. Provide context. Let Chatgpt know your industry, goals, and any constraints. For example, our enterprise focuses on eco-friendly tech solutions. Suggest strategies that align with green values. Iterate. Use follow-up prompts. If the first response isn't perfect, refine your question. Expand on idea number 3 with more details about target demographics. These best practices ensure you're guiding the AI just like you'd steer a brainstorming session with your top creative minds. Now, let's look at some must-use Chatgpt features that can elevate your team's creativity. Idea generation. Ask Chatgpt to generate lists, mind maps, or even pros and cons. For example, what are 5 innovative approaches to rebranding our company? It quickly compiles multiple ideas, sparking further discussion. Role-playing and scenario analysis. Use Chatgpt to simulate different perspectives. Say, act as a skeptical investor and critique this marketing strategy. This not only prepares you for real-world objections, but also helps refine your proposals with diverse viewpoints. Drafting and summarizing. Don't let repetitive tasks slow you down. Ask Chatgpt to draft emails, meeting agendas, or summaries of lengthy reports. For instance, summarize our quarterly report in 3 key bullet points. It's like having a virtual assistant that never sleeps. Contextual memory. Chatgpt can remember the context of your conversation. Use this feature to build on previous ideas without having to repeat everything. It's like having a continuous, evolving brainstorming session where every input counts. And here's a pro tip. Experiment with the temperature setting if your tool offers it. A lower temperature gives more focused responses, while a higher one sparks creative randomness. A balance that can be tweaked depending on whether you need structure or wild innovation. Let's bring it all together with some practical examples. Marketing campaigns. Imagine you need fresh ideas for a product launch. Start with generate 5 bold marketing campaign ideas for a tech product aimed at Gen Z. Chatgpt not only lists ideas, but can also expand on the most promising ones when prompted. Product naming and taglines. Struggling with the perfect name? Ask. Suggest unique, catchy product names that evoke innovation and trust for a new AI service. The output can help narrow down your creative choices quickly. Internal communications. Drafting a memo. Instruct Chatgpt. Draft a friendly yet professional memo summarizing our new remote work policies. It saves time while ensuring clarity and consistency in tone. Data-driven decision-making. Use it to analyze business challenges. For instance, outline the pros and cons of adopting a hybrid work model in our tech company. Chatgpt will list actionable insights, helping managers weigh their options effectively. If you found these insights helpful, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below with your favorite Chatgpt tip or a success story from your own team. Thanks for watching, and here's to smarter, faster brainstorming.